Alright, here we go. So, training session held to address mentally ill inmates. The Ministry of National Security held a workshop on Friday, August 24, with a team of lawyers assigned to work with inmates who are unfit to plead. The workshop sensitized and updated the lawyers on the cases of mentally ill inmates who found unfit to plead, as well as those who came mentally ill subsequent to their conviction. The Chief Technical Director at the Ministry, Laura Plunkett, who spearheaded the workshop, noted that the initiative was in partnership with the Ministry of Health, Legal Aid Council, the Department of Correctional Services, among other entities. Quote to quote, we're all on board to try to assist those who have been committed to the care of the Department of Correctional Services, who have either become mentally ill by way of incarceration or those who have maintained with mental illness before standing trial, she said. Said the workshop, which reviewed, among other things, a psychiatric approach to the treatment of the mentally ill in correctional centers. Plunkett further indicated that lawyers also did a session to guide them on the process of petitioning to the Governor General for pardoning on behalf of the mentally ill inmates when necessary. Quote unquote, each lawyer has been assigned a case file to ensure that all inmates have proper representation. The lawyer's responsibility is to meet with the inmates or the correctional officer to get the details of the case to present to the court based on the Mental Health Act, she said. Alright, and to end the article, so don't really have much of an opinion on this. I mean, as long as this training session does produce effective results and that it leads to probably just leads to effective I just say effective things happening as a result. I'm just pretty much. I have no issues with this. So I mean, like I said, like I'm just from what I've read so far, we just hopefully this goes further and that some positive endings can happen. And like I said, I don't have much more of this to comment on, but if anyone who works in these facilities who can actually talk about this, probably I guess I have to sign confidential contracts not to say anything that this wherever things online or whatever. Alright, well, just keep me posted. See how it goes. So, as is an important part, we need to address the issue of mentally ill, especially whether or not those who are deemed mentally ill or behind bars or out on the street. So, but as I said, let's keep me posted and hope to hear more from this. And again, this is going to the state of Jamaica and the Caribbean. As is also subscribe to our main page, Miles Goodson Parent, and also my new page, Miles GF Production. So take care and keep me posted.